Ever feel like you're doing everything right with your investments, rounding up your spare change, setting up recurring deposits, only to have some invisible force start chipping away at your hard-earned money? It's a common worry, and for users of micro-investing apps like Acorns, the invisible force is the fee structure. So the big question is, how much do Acorns fees really eat into your investment returns? The short answer is, it depends almost entirely on one thing, your account balance. Acorns uses a flat monthly subscription fee, which is a key difference from most traditional robo-advisors that charge a small percentage of your total assets. Acorns currently offers tiers ranging from $3 to $12 per month, depending on the features you want, like an investment account, a retirement IRA, or a checking account. Let's focus on the most basic plan, which is typically around $3 a month. That flat dollar amount is where the impact on your returns becomes a sliding scale. Let's look at two scenarios. In scenario A, let's say you're a brand new investor using the app purely for the famous roundups feature, and after a year, your total balance is $500. A $3 monthly fee means you're paying $36 for the year. Divide $36 by your $500 balance, and that fee is eating 7.2% of your total assets annually. Compare that to a typical robo-advisor that might charge 0.25% of your assets, which would only be $1.25 for the year. That's a massive difference. In this scenario, Acorns fees are a substantial drag on your returns, potentially wiping out a large chunk, or even all, of your gains, especially in a year with modest market performance. Now, look at scenario B. You've been investing for years, consistently contributing, and your account balance is $10,000. That same $36 annual fee now only represents 0.36% of your total assets. That's competitive with, or very close to, the industry standard for percentage-based robo-advisors. For larger balances, the flat fee structure actually starts to work in your favor. So, the biggest takeaway is this: the smaller your account balance, the more devastating the flat fee is as a percentage of your total investment. It's crucial to realize that this monthly subscription is in addition to the underlying expense ratios of the ETFs that make up your portfolio, which are small but still present. Acorns is a fantastic tool for getting started and for people who struggle to save, as the roundups provide a brilliant psychological hack to automate your saving. But for a new investor with a small balance, you are effectively paying a premium for that convenience. The bottom line is to be aware of the effective annual fee percentage. If your balance is under a few $1,000s, that flat fee is likely costing you significantly more than a percentage-based service. Once your account grows to the point where the dollar fee becomes a small fraction of your total assets, the equation shifts, and Acorns becomes much more cost-effective. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.